When you log into the app with the engine running, this is the screen that you will see. Along the top are the menu bar, a timer, a notepad, a screen lock button, a brightness control, an orientation lock button, the time in Zulu time, and the flight time. In the center of the screen you have basic flight instruments including ground speed, GPS altitude, vertical speed, and heading. Along the bottom you have all of your basic engine instruments including your RPM, manifold pressure, cylinder temperatures, exhaust gas temperatures, oil temperature and pressure, voltmeter, and fuel flow. Along the bottom you have other engine gauges.